Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another Scrappy Wood video. Today we are going to be showing you how we made our front entry door. It's a beautiful door. We're so excited to show you guys. And yeah, stick around if you want to see that. All right, all four, 1, 2, 3, 4 have been mortised out. I just need to finish up with the chisel a little bit, and then we'll move on to putting it up in there. Did the mortise in this jam as well. Those are on.
Oh, it's so exciting. We're putting it together.
Oh, no way. Fits nicely. Ah. So what do you think?
Gorge.
Just stare at it. Oh.
She's a beaut.
I'm working on the ceiling. I'm working on sealing the outside of the cracks, the doors. I'm using these little pads here. Now that we're done oohing and on at the door, got to do the final touch-ups. So I'm putting this on, and then I'm gonna put a 3-inch strip of oak on here as well to cover up my screws and give a nice finish. So I have all of the seals in. Now I'm starting to put the wood finish over the seals. Got the top one in. Next we have this one, which is right here, where I'm just notching out that bottom piece, making it look nice and fine and dandy. Oh. And boom, trim. Our rest of the jams are on. Dang, not bad.